Sir, today I was feeling not good because I will miss these classes because of it's my daily routine that after finishing my work I was eagerly waiting for these classes because I have learned more things in these classes. Before I have, as I told, I have joined uh, institute. There I have learned so many rules of grammar, but I don't know where I have to use it. Like I have been and more sentences I have learned. So, but there you made you taught us very easily, and I have very much confident to use these sentences, and I didn't feel shy in front of you and all my friends. I can speak very confidently. So I will miss these classes, and thank you, sir, for giving
Most
teaching
welcome, ma'am. Thank you
like
for
this.
joining English Home. You tell me, first of all, you joined offline classes before English Home or online classes?
No, sir. Actually, 3 4 year ago, I have joined offline classes near my house
For
home.
spoken English.
Sir, they taught us rules, English rules.
Okay.
There was no any task
What
like
was the title of the course? They were teaching spoken English or grammar? English grammar or spoken
sir,
English?
English classes. Normally English
English
classes.
classes only. It was not like that English speaking course is being conducted here. It was not like that.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so there you learned the grammar rules, but you were not able to speak. After joining English Home, you have started speaking.
Yes, sir. Actually, sir, in 12th class, I have done Hindi medium. So at BSc, I have done BSc. So it's all subject are in English. So I have to join that time. It's my like we can say I have
Compulsion.
to learn compulsion. I have to learn English for my BSc subject. So that time I went to English coaching, so they have taught me English rule only, grammar
Okay,
rule.
okay.
Yes, sir.
Which subject did you have in your class 11th?
Sir, PCB, physics,
PCB,
chemistry, bio.
physics,
Yes, sir.
chemistry, bio. And what have you done in your education, in your qualification?
Sir, zoology, botany, chemistry. I have done, and after graduation, botany. I have done post graduation.
Okay, you have completed post graduation.
Yes, sir. And after post graduation, BEd and CTET first paper.
Okay,
Yes,
so you
sir.
have completed CTAT, right? You have cleared CTAT.
Second paper, I have not cleared second paper, but first paper I have cleared.
First paper you cleared, you could not clear the second paper.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
fine. So you want to become a teacher.
Yes, sir.
Why do you want to become teacher?
Sir, first of all, I like the passion, like the teaching.
It's your passion.
Teaching. Yes, sir. And I want to teach children, and I think I am a good teacher because whenever I teach my children, that time I feel I in this field I can do my best. So that's why I want to become a teacher.
Okay, whenever you try to teach your children, they feel good. Your
Yes,
children
sir.
feel good and they understand everything very easily whenever you are teaching them anything.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you want to try for a government job or you would be happy in teaching private schools?
Sir, both I like, but I'm trying to do government for KV because my husband is a CAPF police, so KV is best for me. We will uh,
CAPF or CRPF?
no, sir, CISF, Central Armed.
CISF.
Yes, sir.
Your
It
husband
is
is in
under of
CISF.
CAPF, under of CAPF, Center Armed Force Police.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So he
that's why
must be getting many transfers here and
yes,
there.
sir. In KV, there are their posting will your husband basis, where your husband you can post transfer there.
Okay. That is why your first priority is to go in KV.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, if you don't get the job here, then you will go for other schools, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How many kids do you have?
Sir, I have two kids.
Okay.
One
How
boy.
old are they?
My boy is 7
Son.
year old.
My son is.
My son is 7 year old, and my daughter is 1 year.
Your son
She
Tarush
just
is already studying in our kids batch, and your
yes,
daughter
sir.
is 1 year old.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you have been taking these classes for 3 months, right?
Yes, sir.
During the classes, did you ever feel that my child is very little? My daughter is very little. She is only 1 year old. And how would I manage? How would I complete my course? You must be
Yes,
busy
sir.
with her all the time because
Yes.
I can understand little kids do not let their parents sleep, sit, and do anything.
Yes, sir. I felt every class, but I could manage everything because in this class I don't want to miss. I like this class very much, so I have managed.
Okay. For improving your spoken English, what have you done apart from taking these classes? You have taken these classes. Okay. You came
Yes, sir.
here, learned English for 1 hour. You learned different topics. You did so many tasks such as debate, picture description, story speaking, so many things you did. Apart from that, what you did? Because if someone takes classes only, I don't think so he or she can speak so fast, or they can speak very fluently or very confidently. They have to do something else also, because language requires an atmosphere, right? Until you have atmosphere, you can't speak so fast, you can't speak so confidently. So what did you do at your home to improve your English?
Sir, after this class, I practice. I did practice at home, and every time whenever I am with I was with my children, I used to speak English with them, and in kitchen whenever I used to cook food, so I speak in English with myself, and I become like two people in front of me. Uh, then both will meet, so I will ask question and give answer with
Okay.
myself.
So you
Yes, sir.
practice with yourself only.
Yes, sir.
And you have kids also. With 1 year old kid also you practiced.
No, sir. But I use sentences for
Okay.
come
When she
here.
is crying, you
Take,
say, don't
don't
cry.
cry.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Try to
Take a bath.
smile, or
Let's
please smile.
go. Yes, sir.
Something like that. Okay. Does your son speak in English? He has completed only, I think, 4 5 days in our batch. 4 to 5 days
Yes,
or
sir.
1 week.
Yes, sir. He can speak English, but he don't know where we have to use this like is MR and wo, but he can speak because in he studied in Kerala UKG and first class and LKG and UKG. For there he had to speak in English because there no one knows the Hindi, so from there he learns English.
Okay.
He
We
learned
promise
English.
we'll try to make him learn so many things in these classes. And whatever you have learned, try to use with your kids so that they can also get an atmosphere at their home. Generally what happens in Indian families is students or kids do not get atmosphere of English. That is why they are not comfortable with the speaking English.
Yes,
If
sir.
parents speak in English, they'll get atmosphere and they can brush up their English. They can learn some new vocabs and they can improve their sentences. So it will be good if you speak. Good for you, good for your son also.
Yes, sir. Actually, he has interest. He is very much interested in English, and he always try to speak English. And he told that if you will not speak in English with me, I will slap you if you forget to speak English. And whenever I forget, then he slap me
Like
and
in
say,
fun, it happens.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. So,
He has come now, I think.
yes, sir. He is working.
O-
He is doing.
Okay. Where's your husband posted right now?
Sir, he is in Bangalore.
He's in
Bangalore.
Bangalore, and right now, where are you?
Rajasthan. I am in Pithoragarh.
Pithoragarh. Okay, fine. So, Pooja ma'am, tell me about your hobbies also. What do you like to do?
Sir, my hobbies are dancing and reading books, and I love to listen music at free time, and and sleeping.
Sleeping. Okay. So
Yes,
it's not
sir.
bad. If you sleep for more time, then it is bad. If you are taking
Yes, sir.
normal sleep, then it's okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it was nice talking to you. I want to talk to you more, but we don't have much time. It is the last day, and I have to discuss with other students also. But whatever you have spoken today, I am very happy to listen that, because you are not making so many grammatical errors. You worked hard a lot in these classes. As I can see, there are some other students also in these classes. They work hard, but you work harder, because you have a little kid, a kid of 1 year only, and along with taking care of child, you are taking these classes. That's not very easy job. I have seen so many mothers who take classes, and they have plenty of work. They have to do domestic chores, and they have to attend the classes also. At their home, they have to complete their homework, and they have to make
Yes,
their
sir.
children complete homework. That's not easy job. But
Yes, sir.
here you never showed this thing that I am very busy, or I am not getting time to complete my homework. You always completed your work. And one day I said that you stopped sending your audios of homework. You were the one who was sending the audios continuously, audios of homework. Whatever the worksheets we send, you have to send the audios. One day I said, because I stopped getting the video audios of yours and other students also. So that time I said you need to send the audios again. Then you started sending it.
Yes,
So
sir.
you were the one who sent the videos continuously, but you stopped also at certain time. That time I said that you need
Actually, I
to
have.
continue it.
Yes, sir. Actually, I went to Bangalore that time, so I was little bit busy that.
That time you went to Bangalore.
Yes, sir.
And
That's
in
why.
the in starting, after 10 or 15 days, I think after passing 10 or 15 days, you said one thing that, sir, I want to change my batch, because I'm not getting that atmosphere which I want to get. I want to go into that batch where I can get proper atmosphere. Means you want to join with those students. You wanted to join with those students who were good at English, who were confident at English, right? But
Yes,
I
sir.
suggested you to continue this batch, and you continued. So still you feel that I uh, took a wrong step to join this batch. I should have joined any other batch. Or you felt that students were weak in the starting, but they also improved their English and they started speaking English.
Yes, sir. Actually, before that time, I used to say like, sir, two, three student like Bulbul ma'am or Anil Chaudhary ma'am are not Anil
Anil
Chaudhary sir
Chaudhary,
are, yes,
sir.
sir. They are not present that time,
Hmm,
and they did not speak while you questioning. So that
hmm.
time I feel I was in wrong batch, but nowadays I feel good. And sir, I have a problem whenever I speak in front of some who knows better than me. That time I also like same sentences I use, not new sentences. I can't use whatever I learn.
It will
So
not
what I
happen
have to do?
easily. It will take time. Actually, what happens, whatever is on our tongue comes out automatically, and basic things are easily on our tongue. They
As
come
a
easily
sir,
on our tongue.
that day I have checked in Google and you caught me that like
Hmm.
you have caught it.
Actually, the language
I
of
want to.
Google and language of any book is completely different. What we speak is basic.
Yes,
We
sir.
use
But I
normal sentences,
want.
but in the books you always see that the sentences are completely different. So this is the reason I recognized very easily that you spoke the sentence with the help of Google. So no need to go for that advanced level. Right now you try to improve your grammar, small mistakes you are doing, okay, and try to improve fluency also. When you
Yes, sir.
become completely confident that you feel that now I can speak English properly, I can speak English comfortably, then you try to go for the advanced English. Then you go for the advanced sentences, such as right now you want to speak मैं समझ नहीं पाई. So you say normally I could not understand. But after becoming comfortable with this sentence, try to speak extraordinary sentence like I failed to understand, I could not get hang of it. Okay, it's beyond my mind. Later on you can try, but first of all you should start speaking I could not understand. If you are comfortable with this sentence, then you can go for the next one. And if you are not comfortable with this sentence, then you cannot go for the next sentence. Okay, so first what we need to do, first we need to clear our basic. After clearing basic, we should go for the advanced sentences. Then we should go after fluency part.
Yes, sir.
So it
Thank you,
was
sir.
really nice talking with you, and thank you for believing in English Home and joining these classes. It is very difficult to trust nowadays in online classes. There's too much fraud on
Yes,
uh,
sir.
social platforms. People advertise, they get the students, they take fee. After that, they don't teach. Sometimes they are not actually starting the classes. They do not refund the money also.
Yes, sir.
But here you trusted, and we completed our promise. I also got some leaves in these classes. Because of that, I had to extend the batch. The batch was for 3 months, and we have almost completed 3 months now. And I am happy
Yes,
to
sir.
see your English. Ridulav already interacted with me. He speaks fast. He speaks good. And Arnav is also there. Goldie
Yes,
ma'am.
sir.
Shivani ma'am needs to improve much. Deepa ma'am has also improved. Now she is off camera. Uh,
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir, for
Keep trying, and
giving